So next topic is trigonometric identities. Okay. Trigonometric identities we have seen before also, like a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This way in trigonometry also we have some identities which can simplify our problems. Okay. So identity is actually an equation, okay, which is true for all values of variables involved. Identity is an equation which is true for all values of variables involved. So first trigonometric identity is cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Next is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Okay. These three trigonometric identities you have to learn. Next exercise is based on this only. Okay. So let us do a quick revision of all the formulas which we have learned till now. Sin theta is equal sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, P
H.
then cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. That is
Cot theta.
sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is base by hypotenuse, tan theta is perpendicular by base. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by base, sec theta is cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular, sec theta is hypotenuse by base, and cot theta is base by perpendicular. Okay. How cosec and sin are related? Cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta, and tan theta is also 1 upon cot theta. Okay. Then similarly cot theta is actually reciprocal of tan theta, so cot theta can also be written as cos theta by sin theta. Okay. These formulas we have already seen. Plus trigonometric identities are cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. In next class, everybody should learn these identities. Okay. Now, how we will use this? So I'm doing one example. We'll begin from simple ones and then we will move to difficult ones. So we'll be doing today example 13, example 14, and few selective questions of exercise. In next class, I'll be doing difficult ones. Okay. So example 13 is sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A equals to 1. This I have to prove that. Here in last exercise, we have most of the questions to prove only. Okay. So in prove, one benefit is there. We know what to get actually. We don't have to find anything unknown. We know what to get after solving. Okay. So this is the question. Okay. There is no single approach for doing this type of questions. Okay. We can get answer by many ways. Like I can do by another method, you can do by another method. So there is no single approach. Usually the easiest thing, if it is not mentioned कि इसको इसी identity से करना है, तो convert every trigonometric ratio to sin and cos. I find that easiest one, but it's not the only approach. Okay. So okay, Siddharth has sent the question paper. Okay, I'll see after class. So sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A. Sin A can be written as, I am writing 1 minus sin A is sin A only. 1 minus sin A. Sec A 1 upon cos A, and tan A sin A upon cos A. Till here, any doubt? I have just taken LHS. Okay, no doubt. I have taken LHS and just converted sec to one, sec A as 1 upon cos A, sec A 1 upon sec A as 1 upon cos A, sec A is 1 upon cos A, and sin A is tan A is sin A upon cos A. Okay, so 1 minute. Now next step, 1 upon cos A, 1 minus sin A. I am writing 1 minus sin A only. Here cos A is common and it is 1 plus sin A. Okay, 1 minus sin A and 1 plus sin A is basically A minus B, A plus B. It is A square minus B square. Okay, cos A into cos A is cos square A. Okay, now since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, first identity. So if I move this sin square theta this side, cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, isn't it? If I sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta upon cos square theta. This both will cancel and it will be 1. Okay. So type Y if anybody understood this. Just type Y in your chat box if anybody understood this. So Siddharth is typing Y. Okay. Is there anybody who understood? Okay, so I guess I should explain this. Okay. Now, first step is clear to everybody. Type Y if first step is clear. Type Y if first step is clear. Okay, only Hardik is saying Y. So I think I should explain it from the beginning. Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, I also said.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
also
you
said
have.
yeah.
तुम्हारा तो आया ही नहीं निर्विक्षा. I have not received. Okay, अब आए हैं मुझे कुछ messages. हार्दिक, सिद्धार्थ और निर्विक्षा. Still students are there who are not getting. ठीक है, I'll explain. Don't worry. So trigonometric identities पे आते हैं. It is slightly difficult as compared to other topics. Easily नहीं आता है, कोई problem नहीं है. So पहले identity ये है, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay? Identity का मतलब क्या है? एक equation है जो किसी भी value of theta के लिए हमेशा true होगी. Okay, it is a equation which I can use for solving any trigonometric problem, and it will be true for any value of theta. So first is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Now I am given a problem. First step is converting sec A. I have converted as 1 upon cos A. This we know. Cos और sec एक दूसरे का reciprocal है. 1 minus sin A, I have written 1 minus sin A only. Sec A I have written as 1 upon cos A, and tan A is sin A upon cos A. Okay. This all are in multiplication. तो 1 upon cos A ऐसे ही लिख दिया, 1 into 1 minus sin A भी ऐसे ही लिख दिया. Cos A is common for both. तो ये common denominator हो गया और numerators I have added. अब यहाँ पे देखो 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. कौन सी identity हो गई? This one is A minus B, A plus B. So it is A square minus B square. Okay. So 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A is actually 1 square minus sin square A. And denominators, they are in product, so it will be cos square A. Okay. 1 square minus sin square A is basically 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A. 1, now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. ये हमको पता है. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. तो cos square theta को 1 minus sin square theta लिख सकते हैं क्या? Can I write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta? So 1
Yes,
minus,
ma'am.
okay. So 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A. This 1 minus sin square A I have written as cos square A. Cos square A, cos square A will cancel and it is 1. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So example 14. Prove that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A equals to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Okay. This we have to prove. Okay. LHS. Actually, when LHS and RHS are both are there, दो अप्रोच हो सकती है. एक तो LHS को सॉल्व करो और उसको सॉल्व करके RHS लेके आ जाओ, या फिर एक और अप्रोच ये है कि LHS को सॉल्व करके कहीं तक पहुंच गए, RHS को भी सॉल्व करके वहीं तक ले आए. So I'll be solving both the sides actually. I'll be solving LHS also and RHS also here. Okay. Now cot A, LHS is this cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A. I'm rewriting it. Okay. Cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A. Okay. Okay. Then this is cos A upon sin A plus cos A. Okay. Now, okay. So cos A minus cos A into sin A. If I take LCM of numerator as sin A, in denominator it will be cos A plus cos A into sin A upon sin A. Okay. This sin A and sin A will cancel. Whenever there is a fraction upon fraction, तो ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. दैट मीन्स आई कैन कैंसिल दिस बोथ साइन ए एंड साइन ए. नाउ इट इज, इफ आई टेक कॉज ए कॉमन, it is 1 minus sin a, and here also if I take cos a common, it is 1 plus sin a. Okay, this and this cancel. यहाँ पे हमने LHS को pause कर दिया. Now RHS I'll solve. Cosec a is 1 upon sin a minus 1, 1 upon sin a plus 1. Taking LCM as sin a, तो ये हो जाएगा 1 minus sin a, and this will be 1 plus sin a upon sin a. Okay, sin a and sin a cancel. That is 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. We are getting both LHS and RHS same. Okay, so that means LHS equals to RHS. Type Y, if you understood this. Okay, so is this method more easy or the previous one more easy? Are students able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is this first method more easy or second one more easy?
Ma'am, second one. Easy.
Both are easy. Okay. Nirviksha is saying second one is easy. तो second one easy है, तो इसमें कहाँ पे doubt है? अब can anybody tell me that where is the doubt? जिनको ये difficult लग रहा है, please frankly tell me कि कहाँ पे doubt आ रही है, कौन सा step clear नहीं हो रहा है? So हिना लिमानी,
कोई डाउट ही नहीं.
कोई doubt ही नहीं है. Okay. हिना लिमानी, you please tell me what is doubt?
Ma'am, now it's clear.
Okay, no doubt. Okay. No problem. Actually, you have to practice these problems again at home, and with time it will automatically identities learn हो जाएगी. थोड़ा trigonometric ratios से familiar हो जाओगे, then it will not be that much difficult. Okay. Now, see some questions which I feel that they are difficult at beginning level. So this I'll take in next class. Today I'll take easy ones. So I am starting exercise 8.4. Remaining examples which we have not done today, we'll be doing in next class. Third question I am beginning. Evaluate. Okay. Sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree upon cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Okay. Now sine theta is cos 90 minus theta. This we have seen in previous class. Okay. So if I convert, put theta as 63, तो sin 63 क्या हो जाएगा? Cos 90 minus 63. That is cos 27. Okay. So if I replace this sin square 63 by cos square 27, this will become sin square 27 plus cos square 27. Here I am next step I am planning to replace this cos 17. Now cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So cos 17 can be written as sin 90 minus 17. That is equal to sin 73. Okay. So this is sin square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Okay. Now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is also 1. So the answer is 1. Okay. Is it clear to everybody, this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others? Okay. So those who understood this question, please type Y. Hardik understood. Okay. Yash, Hinal, Himani. Avni. Okay. Avni also typed. Then Kavin. Yes, Kavin. Nirviksha, you understood?
Can you explain it?
ये है sin square
Yes,
63.
ma'am.
Okay. Sin square 63 plus sin square 27 upon cos square 17 plus cos square 73. We have to evaluate this. ठीक है, तो इसको पहले सोचना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. अब ये अगर हम इन दोनों sin square theta में से, इन दोनों में से from any one of this sin square, if I convert to cos square, I can use identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. थीटा ये एंगल दोनों का सेम होना चाहिए, then only I can use the identity. Okay. So sin 63 can be replaced by cos 27 because we have seen one identity, sin theta is cos 90 minus theta. Okay. So sin 63 I have replaced by cos 27. Cos theta can be replaced by sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. So cos theta is sin, cos 17 is sin 73. Okay. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So answer will be 1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Second part. Sin 25 cos 65 plus cos 25 sin 65. Okay. Now, okay, any idea? कोई बताएगा कि कोई सजेस्ट करेगा कैसे करेंगे इसको?
मैम हमने लास्ट टाइम भी ये सेम क्वेश्चन करा था ना मैम, वो क्वेश्चन नंबर, तो मैम इसमें सिर्फ एक को ही सॉल्व करेंगे, दोनों सॉल्व नहीं होंगे.
नो, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे अब so if you think, तो cos 65 can be replaced by sin 25. Cos theta is sin 90 minus theta.
Ma'am, answer is 1.
Answer will be 1 obviously क्योंकि sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So cos 65 is equal to sin 90 minus 65. That is equal to sin 25. Okay. So cos 65 is sin 25 and sin 65 is cos 25. Okay. Now I am replacing this cos by sin and this sin by cos. So sin 25 sin 25 plus cos 25 And this sine 65 I am writing as cos 25. This is sine square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this will be 1. It is confusing actually. Sometimes you will get confused with the 8.3 and 8.4 के कुछ questions में confusion हो सकता है. वहां पे हमने identity पढ़ी ही नहीं थी. So now these are actually questions of identities. तो यहाँ पे sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 इस identity पे based है problem. Is it clear this one? Is it clear to everybody? Hina Limania are typing yes. Okay.
What can you repeat?
Is this problem clear to you? I'm just asking this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So actually I am recording the video. So in case if you need more explanation या तुम्हें ऐसा लगे कि इसको फिर से तो you can watch that video actually. You can use, I am recording for you people only. Okay. So you can take benefit from this video also after class in case you find anything difficult, and if you want I can explain you live again in next class also. Okay. Now question 4. Choose the correct option. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Okay. So here first of all I'll take 9 common. It is sec square a minus tan square a. Okay. Now we know that there is one identity of 1 plus tan square a equals to sec square a. I want sec square a minus tan square a. So I can write 1
Now answer is 9.
yes, answer is 9 sec square a minus tan square a. So sec square a minus tan square a by identity is 1 actually. So it is 9 into 1. So answer is 9. So B option is correct. Is it clear to anybody?
Ma'am, to me it's clear.
Okay, only
Ma'am,
Siddharth.
even I also get.
Okay, Nirviksha. Then what about others? Hina, Limani, Yash, Hardik, Avni, Kavin. Okay, Hina, Limani are also typing Y. What about others? Clear. Hardik is also typing. Yash is also typing. Kavin, Avni. Okay. Now, okay, first part. Second part. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equals to, we have to find. Okay. So here what we'll do, we have to solve it. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta is LCM. So it is cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Here it is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta. Okay. Now, how we'll solve this? यहाँ पे observe करो.
A
तो
plus B and B minus
if this thing I take as A, तो ये दोनों में same है. This is A plus B, A minus B. Okay, this identity I am putting. So how I'll solve? Cos theta plus sin theta, the whole square minus 1 upon cos theta, sin theta. This will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1. So I am writing 1. plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta sin theta plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now it is 2 sin theta cos theta upon cos theta sin theta. So it is equal to 2. So answer is C, that is equal to 2. Okay.